This goes out to all the big head niggas and all them big head bitches. You know my steezo, yo, 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 yo. Deadly melodic, robotic steezo, blur your optics so you can't see the topic of this here combo. Blade, bring the heat to you moaning like Alonzo. Head honcho like Eastwood, gun in my poncho. Another bad desperado, trapped in between the hills and the Eldorados. But you can't do that. Welcome to the Wheel of Fortune, where Pat don't say jack. Bring it to these cats often. The biggest payback is when I condemn men to purgatory. Stick a pen, do them in 8 million stories, and the naked Mr. Method. Blade runner, blood stain on my track record. Top gunner.
You know it's sick now, just a little bit. Oh shit, can't quit now. Hard as a brick. What's this? Make 'em get down. And where I fit, more grip. Hold the shit down. She don't know you better school her. Step by step, inch by inch, piece by piece, inch by inch, step by step, inch by inch, piece by piece, brick by brick.
Check my extinction agenda, mind bender, no retreat, no surrender. Head drama, that before dishonor sword and golden armor. Undetected stealth bomber, blow the session with immaculate conception. Hit your section with my death squad connection. The green-eyed bandit, E double up, damn it. Iron lung flow tastes like a knuckle sandwich. Now you know, it's time that I take advantage. Take command, yo, cops caught me red-handed. Blood on the dance floor, or was it Michael Jackson? Fuck it, time for some action. Check my reruns and see what's happening.
You know it's sick now, just a little bit. Oh shit, can't quit now. Hard as a brick. What's this? Make 'em get down. And where I fit, more grip. Hold the shit down. She don't know you better school her. Step by step, inch by inch, piece by piece, bit by bit. Step by step, inch by inch, piece by piece, bit by bit. You know it's sick now, just a little bit. Oh shit, can't quit now. Hard as a brick. What's this? Make 'em get down. And where I fit, more grip. Hold the shit down. She don't know you better school her. Before she get her back blown, jealous fan don't understand and get clapped on. Now I'm reloading, automating, keep it going. Right in the jack, running track like I'm Jesse Owens. Catch it with my rap slogan, Jack Frost, leave them frozen. Bust flows and never latex without my Trojan. Handwritten ass whipping, I keep spitting at any head on collision. Throw dart with precision and split decision. Tell your old folk and your children what I'm dealing. Good times and hood rhymes from the villain. Till I see you at the ooh building, motherfuckers. You know it's sick now, just a little bit. Oh shit, can't quit now. Hard as a brick. What's this? Make 'em get down. And where I fit, more grip. Hold the shit down.
She don't know you better school her.
Step by step, inch by inch, step by step, brick by brick, step by step, inch by inch, piece by piece, brick by brick,
step by step, inch by inch, piece by piece, bit by bit, step by step, inch by inch, piece by piece, bit by bit. This one is dedicated to my big head niggas and all them big head bitches. All them big head bitches.
Dobro, frizura. Šamanska, a sada nešto za vas. See ya.
Come on, take it back, 70s style.
anything.
Oh, y'all old school studio 54.
There's nothing in the world that I won't do. I did the world, born that you, I'll do anything.
Down in Mississippi where the sun beats down from the sky, they give it up and they give it up and they give it up, but they never ask why. Daddy was a rolling stone. Oh, he rolled away one day and he never came home. It ain't hard to understand. This ain't his first master plan. What it takes to be a man. se. Mikrofon bina važi klitorise. Stari kadina paljenje odmah počne. Posle se izgleda prvo noće. I bukse i fukse se. Mikrofon bina važi klitorise. Ne potpisujemo više ugovore. Uzmemo cash i vidimo se posle. Udruženje porno, mafija, jazz, kriminal, sensei. Udruženje Bičak je na travi, talas koji preti da sravni sve.
Dođi vam u Slaninu. To je život kad se pije i jede.
Think I care about what he's having? Sure I do, but I'm still laughing. 400 horsepower, full moon and sorceress. Swollen members and my girl NF. The predators and the Terminator, the draft called Rev. Why hurt them later? We can do so much damage now. Duck trucking when I hit them, so much garbage around. Yells, bells, and whistles like carnival sounds. Phenomenal adrenaline from the words of my mouth.
How does Shane manage to rap with brain damage? I'm back, remain famished and stacked. You're playing with the praying madness. In fact, you gigantic, you sink like Titanic. Panic attack, act up, and I'm a Mac truck. Crashes in disaster, smash like Master Blaster. Conquer, rankle monster, wants to stop you. Crushing cause I'm vain, question that remains. Will tomorrow be the same? Blood rushing through my veins.
I can feel the blood rushing through my veins, and that's all I need to know. Cause I'm not looking for a change. Cause I got friends and enemies, but it just don't bother me. Cause as long as I believe, I can breathe. I know since before I knew how to know that we are all just fun to do. What a deeper stuff say to do, whether it be easy or not to do. Since before I knew how to, that we are all just fun to do. What a deeper stuff say to do, whether it be easy or not to do.
I'm serving them out. I'm like a Krispy Kreme conveyor belt with the synth notes swollen like your lymph nodes. We went from intro to insta. Coincidentally messing up your mental state. We making ends glow. Pacific Central paid me and my kinfolk attention. Nobody can do it like a man mo. My band's dope, the tracks and flow. I'm beautiful, that's for sure.
The harmony queen, the decibel kings, inevitable. We were born to do incredible things. I let it ring like freedom, swing letters for my job. 26 in the mix, we do it better than y'all.
I'm a Neanderthal, you're bound to fall. I'm born to fall, we warned you all. It's born to doll, it's wonderful, the underworld. Beautiful minds, trying to keep it independent in recruitable times.
I'm alive, I can feel the blood rushing through my veins, and that's all I need to know. Cause I'm not looking for a change. Cause I got friends and enemies, but it just don't bother me. Cause as long as I believe, I can breathe. I'm alive, I can feel the blood rushing through my veins, and that's all I need to know. Cause I'm not looking for a change. Cause I got friends and enemies, but it just don't bother me. Cause as long as I believe, I can breathe.
Crashing through you, feel the magnitude.
Je li ovo put za Koponik?
Šta?
Je li ovo put za Koponik?
Jeste, u tom pravcu možeš.
Pravo, ovo je pa levo, je?
Da.
I'm alive, I can feel the blood rushing through my veins, and that's all I need to know. Cause I'm not looking for a change. Cause I got friends and enemies, but it just don't bother me. Cause as long as I believe, I can breathe.
Si to hteo?
Sada je ekstremni sportovi u totalu. Jebate, ono. Ima ko će brži. Ajde bre, krenu, ako ću te predstavim 16 puta. Gornji ekstremiteti su sjebani, a donji nisu loši. Ti seo, pička. Evo. Tu kao A, i meni ja njemu kao A. Tu kao A. Opet. Kroki kroket.
Kobaje su u frižideru.
Let you know who you fucking with.